I'm reading out of Joshua today, chapters 1 through 5. And that's what I'm reading. And I'll reflect with y'all right afterwards. It's me walking into the spin class. I don't got no selfie sticks, so I'm holding on. This the class that I was showing y'all through the little video. Good morning. I really like this class.
Now take that butt back. We're climbing right here. This is a remix. Butt back. No shoulders, legs in the air, and butt. Up there. 4, 3, 2, 1 more. All right. Another old song. Back off. Up high. Tension. Not that much. Enough what you feel it. Hit it. Old Michael Jackson. Back. Up. Butt back. Up. Take it back. Give me up. I'm back. Take. I'm over.